Let's take a look at the various features in the iPhone camera app. There's a bunch of tools in there. If you're not familiar, let's go check them out together. Let's begin by opening up the camera app and swiping left all the way to the front, and we're going to go to time-lapse. Time-lapse videos, one of my favorite features on the iPhone. Really cool, get to see the world flying by at top speed. What do you need to make a great time-lapse? You need motion and you need a tripod to keep the camera steady. Motion as in clouds flying by, cars, ocean waves, you name it. A lot of fun. I have a separate video all about time lapses, so be sure to check that out. Let's go to Slomo, which is next. The antithesis of time lapse. You don't need a tripod for Slomo because it is so slow you can keep the camera steady and nobody will notice. Next, cinematic mode. One of my favorite features of the later iPhones, the 13 or 14, the Pro models, lets you basically blur the background like you do in portrait mode. We'll talk about portrait mode in a minute. Cinematic mode gives you two lens choices, basically wide or telephoto. Cinematic mode looks best on people, so I would suggest going telephoto and blurring the background, making it nice and soft. Know that sometimes it's a little soft, a little weird, and just sort of move the camera around to get it right. And now a quick word from our sponsor, SmugMug. If you're not up on SmugMug, 4 quick bullet points. Let's start with A, automatic backup. I'm here in Japan. I am shooting thousands of images on the mobile phone that are being backed up seamlessly to the SmugMug app on iOS and Android. I also back up all my images to SmugMug, serves as a virtual hard drive. B, sharing without big tech getting involved and lowering the resolution of your photos as many of the companies do. C, showing your online portfolio. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, you would like to have your photo gallery looking really beautiful. I have my websites on SmugMug. All my galleries are there as well. And of course, D, for pros or would-be pros, selling your prints via SmugMug. Really easy to do. SmugMug has a free 2-week trial. Give them a try at smugmug.com. Video is next, pretty simple. Click the red button and start recording. Yes, but you can also have choices of your lenses or frame rate. You have a whole bunch of frame rates at the top of the screen, and that's 4K 30 and HD 30 and 24 frames and 60 frames. For the best cinematic look, most pros go for 24 frames a second. I have a separate video all about video right here, so be sure to check that out. Next up is photos. Not as many choices here. Click the white button and shoot your picture. As we discussed earlier, you can choose the aspect ratio. The normal one is 4:3, which is like the old-fashioned TV. 16:9 is like a widescreen television. Most people do 4:3, but the good news is you can change it afterwards. After that, portrait mode, like we discussed. Blurring the background, like in cinematic mode, you can shoot wide or shoot telephoto. I recommend telephoto. And you have various lighting choices: natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light mono, and high key light mono. If you don't do it when you take the picture, you can add it after you take the picture in the editing. Be sure to check out our editing video for more information about that. Last option is panoramic. Who doesn't like a big widescreen Pano look? It's really beautiful sometimes. You just can't get the world in one shot, so you need to do this. Notice the way that I'm moving because my feet do not change, just my body. That's how you do a good Pano. Questions, concerns, let me hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget that we do a live show every Thursday at 2 p.m. where we take your questions live, so I look forward to seeing you there. I'm Jefferson Graham. See you on the next photo walk, everyone. Bye-bye.